Customize every symbol in your puzzle with your own color palette. Here's how to set each color manually. Start by selecting Sudoku Pick and Place from the Puzzle Type menu. Next, choose a 6x6 grid, a great size for visual puzzles. Select colors as your symbol type. Click any color tile to open the color dialog. Use the visual sliders to fine-tune color values by eye. You can also type exact hue, saturation, and lightness values for precision. Prefer RGB? Just type decimal values for each color channel. If you have a hex color value, you can enter it directly here. Click Save to store your current color for later reuse. Select any saved preset from your list to reuse it instantly. Click this button to access the built-in Windows color picker with full controls. Once you're happy with the color, click OK to return. Now your Sudoku puzzle uses a fully personalized color set, unique to your brand or style.